Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The Best Lawn pH Tester is probably one of the most crucial tools for any serious gardener or homeowner looking to achieve a lush, healthy lawn, as understanding the soil's pH level is fundamental to nutrient absorption and overall plant vitality. This device allows you to precisely measure the acidity or alkalinity of your soil, providing you with the actionable data needed to amend your lawn effectively and prevent common issues like nutrient deficiencies or excessive weed growth, ultimately saving you time and money on ineffective treatments. Number 5. 4-in-1 Soil Tester. Introducing the 4-in-1 Soil Tester, your all-in-one solution for comprehensive plant care. It measures moisture, pH, nutrients, and light, giving you a complete picture of your plant's health. Tired of bending over? Our unique 90 degrees rotating dial allows you to read measurements comfortably from any angle. It's designed for ease of use, protecting your back. Say goodbye to guesswork and root rot. This meter accurately detects soil moisture levels, helping you avoid overwatering or underwatering for healthier plants. Our upgraded single probe design minimizes damage to plant roots during insertion. It's ideal for delicate plants and seedlings, promoting healthier growth. Get precise readings in seconds with its highly sensitive sensor. Simply insert it into the soil and get the information you need quickly. Built to last with a reinforced probe structure, this tester is resistant to rust and breakage. Its wipe-clean design makes maintenance simple for long-term use. What we like. This device offers a comprehensive 4-in-1 soil analysis, including moisture, pH, nutrients, and light. Its unique 90 degrees rotating dial design makes readings easy without bending. If you're looking for a user-friendly tool that protects your back and provides all-around plant health insights, this is a great choice. What people say. The 4-in-1 feature is fantastic and very useful. So easy to use and read the meter. The meter is very durable and easy to clean. The meter does produce different results for different soils around the yard. The pH seems like it could be pretty correct as it does adjust slightly for soils I know are more acidic. No battery to worry about either. Head tilts for easy reading. Number 4. Garden Tutor Soil pH Test Kit. Is your garden thriving? Proper soil pH is key to unlocking essential nutrients for your plants. Discover the perfect balance with our easy-to-use testing kit. Get professional-grade accuracy with results in about 60 seconds. Our advanced strips provide consistent and repeatable readings for all your gardening needs. Experience the future of soil testing with our upgraded web-based AI reader. Simply snap a photo and upload it for instant, precise digital results, no app needed. Created by an American brand founded by passionate gardeners, our kit is designed for simplicity, accuracy, and solving real gardening challenges. This complete solution includes 100 test strips, a detailed handbook, an AI reader template, and an online estimator. Everything you need to optimize your soil is right here. Trusted by over 100,000 gardeners, our kit has helped countless individuals achieve healthier, more vibrant plant growth by optimizing their soil nutrients. What we like. This kit provides 100 professional-grade test strips for accurate soil pH readings. The innovative AI-powered web reader eliminates the need for an app, offering instant digital results. If you prefer a simple, accurate, and digital pH testing solution without downloading apps, this is the perfect option for your garden. What people say. The meter is very easy to use and provides quick readings. It accurately measures soil pH and moisture levels, which is great for gardening. The large, clear display makes it easy to read the results even in bright sunlight. Number 3. MySoil Soil Test Kit. Discover the full potential of your lawn and garden. This kit provides complete and accurate analysis, giving you tailored recommendations for your soil and plants. Achieve the healthiest, most sustainable garden possible. Our professional soil test kit is designed for accuracy and ease of use, ensuring you grow with confidence. Get precise results in just 6 to 8 days. Unlike basic meters, our mail-in lab analysis measures 13 key nutrient levels, including nitrogen and pH, for a comprehensive understanding. Whether it's your lawn, vegetables, flowers, or even houseplants, this kit works for any soil type and growing condition. It's versatile for all your gardening needs. Stop wasting resources on unnecessary products. Learn exactly what your soil needs and the right amounts to apply, ensuring you grow the healthiest plants efficiently. Receive clear guidance on what to apply, how much, and when. We provide both organic and non-organic fertilizer recommendations to perfectly amend your soil. This kit includes a single-use soil sample kit, easy instructions, a prepaid mailing envelope, and dedicated customer support. Everything is provided for a seamless experience. What we like. This is a professional mail-in lab analysis that tests for 13 essential plant-available nutrients, including pH. It provides tailored recommendations for what, how much, and when to apply amendments. If you want the most accurate and detailed soil analysis with expert advice for your specific lawn or garden, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. This is a great tool for testing soil pH. It is easy to use and provides accurate readings. The design is simple and effective. The probe is long enough to get a good reading from deep in the soil. It has a clear display that shows the pH level in large numbers. This makes it easy to read even in bright sunlight. Number 2. 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter. Introducing the 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter, your ultimate tool for understanding your plant's needs. It measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight, helping you provide the best care for your green companions. Our device features a large LCD screen with a white backlight, ensuring you can easily read all the vital parameters, whether it's bright daylight or the darkest night. It even alerts you when it's time for new batteries. Equipped with the latest probe technology, it delivers quick and precise measurements of soil conditions and light intensity. This allows you to scientifically cultivate your plants by managing pH, temperature, and light exposure. Just insert the probe about 4 inches into the soil and wait a few seconds for intuitive data. For the most accurate results, take readings from multiple spots and average them. The screen displays data with clear values and easy-to-understand graphics, making it simple even for beginners. Plus, the adjustable head lets you view the screen comfortably without bending over. Whether you're tending to your indoor plants, garden, or farm, this versatile tool is perfect for any setting. We are committed to providing excellent service, so please reach out if you have any concerns. What we like. This digital tester features a 4-in-1 function for moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight, with a clear, backlit LCD display. Its 45 degrees rotating head allows for easy viewing without bending. If you need a digital, easy-to-read tool with a convenient display angle for gardening in various conditions, this device is ideal. What people say. The features proved accurate. On the temperature feature, I measured room air. The temperature was 1°F higher than my oven thermometer and room thermostat. Excellent. The moisture feature worked to perfection. It measured the potted soil at 20% dry. Examining the dirt, the moisture held the dirt in clumps, but it was relatively dry. Accurate moisture readings helped me dial in my irrigation perfectly, fixing over underwatering issues. Number 1. NewTest Professional 4-Parameter Soil Test Kit. Tired of inaccurate soil tests? We developed a professional kit to solve this problem. Now, even beginners can accurately detect essential soil elements. This kit provides 40 tests covering pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. You can test your garden soil up to 10 times for each parameter, ensuring the healthiest plants. Our kit includes a quick guide and detailed instructions. You'll be able to follow along easily and get accurate results, helping you become an expert gardener. We've designed specific methods for easy reading. Simply compare the test results to our colorimetric card to quickly understand nutrient levels. Whether it's your lawn, vegetable garden, or houseplants, this kit works with any soil type and gardening condition. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This kit offers 40 tests covering pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, providing a comprehensive nutrient analysis. It uses easy-to-read colorimetric results for quick assessments. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to perform multiple soil nutrient tests at home with clear, comparative results, this kit is an excellent value. What people say. The soil test kit includes tests for potassium, K, phosphorus, P, nitrogen, N, and pH levels. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. To use the kit, first collect a soil sample and set it aside. Then, fill the testing tubes with water, add a reagent tablet, and shake well. Next, add the recommended amount of soil, shake again, and use the test to check the nutrient levels. This process is very convenient. Comprehensive soil testing capability and the description of the way it is done with this kit. Functionality: this is a great product and is a soil test done properly. You need to read and follow the directions explicitly to do this correctly, from start to finish. This will yield the best results. Wow! What a difference! After 3 years gardening, insane plot plants were withering and dying. Tried testing with this product and found soil to be very acidic. Week and a half after testing and correcting the pH, everything exploded in growth. Now a couple weeks later, tons of vegetables on the plants. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.